Hey guys, Anthony Phillips here, physical therapist at OrthoVirginia St. Mary's Clinic. In honor of National Foam Rolling Day, we're going to talk about some foam rolling drills for the thoracic spine. So working on some mobility for anybody who's kind of stuck in that flexed posture, working at a desk or working at a computer to help kind of get you opened up here. So first one we're going to do is laying on the ground. We're actually going to lay down on the foam roller and rest all the way back. Your head resting on the foam roller. We can do a couple movements here. One, just kind of coming up overhead with your arms, getting some good extension through your mid back, and then also opening up through the arms to kind of get a little stretch through the chest. A little bit more aggressive way to get some upper back kind of mobilization is to go kind of more horizontal off the foam roller, and you can either roll backwards and kind of lean back over the foam roller, or even just kind of keep it stationary and go backwards. For somebody who is not getting on the ground quite as easily, you can do it in standing, where we'll put the foam roller just kind of behind your back. Similar position to the first one there on the ground. And then just kind of opening up through the chest. You can come up overhead and get a good little mobilization there through the thoracic spine. So give those a shot. Keep you in good posture and good mobility through your thoracic spine.